Hi, this is Luke. Welcome to another video on this channel. So what I'm going to show you today is just how to speed up your MetaTrader when it is moving really slow and it is lagging. So there's a few things that you can do. This will be a really quick video, but let's get on with it. So first, you're going to want to click File. Then you want to click Open Data Folder. This is all of the folders within your MetaTrader. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to click on logs. So all of these files here, apart from today's file, so you can see today is the 18th of September. So all of these files can be deleted as we don't need any of them. And every time you load your MetaTrader, every single one of these files is going to be executed. So everything that is kept inside of these log files is going to be run for your MetaTrader to work. So obviously when you've got all of these files, it's going to considerably slow your computer down. So you just want to delete them. And all you want to keep is the actual one that says MetaEditor, and then you keep the log file for today. So that is that. Then we can go into, I think it's temp, yeah. So we have another log file here. We don't have much in this. None of them are today's date, so we can delete these. Then we can go into the tester. It's another log file here. We can delete both of these. I will delete today's as well because I don't need it anymore. I've already done my testing for today, so that's safe to be deleted. Okay, so you can't actually delete this one, which is because the terminal is open, which is fine. Oops. So we can keep that one. Then we can go into, I don't think there's any more out of here. So we don't need that one. We don't need to do config, live updates. So there's nothing in that one. Profiles, nothing in that one. So now we can go into MQL5. There'll be another log file here. This folder is empty, so that is good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So now when you try to, when you reload your MetaTrader, I can't turn this off because I've got EA running and it will close out my trade. But when you close this and then reopen it, you'll see that your MetaTrader 5 runs a lot quicker. And when you use your strategy tester, this will now run much quicker. So if I take visual mode off, press start, and now we can see that the strategy tester runs very quick. Whereas before, this simple test was taking 20 minutes to complete. You can see they just did that in a matter of seconds. So yeah, again, you just go to File, Open Data Folder, and then you go into the log files. You delete everything apart from the file from today. Then you go into the temp, do the same thing. Go into the tester, do the same thing. Go into MQL5, go into the log file and do the same thing. And this will significantly speed up your MetaTrader. So yeah, that is it. I just thought I would show you that. Thank you for watching.